Hey everybody, this is Steve Scott here from the Search Engine Academy. I run the Academy out of the Tampa area, and I am very excited to be here for the first of our video blogs. Got some really exciting news today from Google. It's the 6th of March 2012, and Google has finally given Webmaster Tool users something they've been clamoring for some time now, and that is the ability to have a user administration function within Webmaster Tools. So for a long time we've wanted to be able to give other people access to Webmaster Tools, or many times if I'm working with a client, I may ask them to give me access to Webmaster Tools, and now they've got a really easy way to do that with different levels of permission. So just real quick, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is go into your Webmaster Tools. If you're already an existing owner of the Webmaster Tool, you go into the site configuration, and there's now a new item here called User Administration. Once there, you'll get a listing of who's already got rights to view or to access the information in Webmaster Tools for the particular site that you're on. You'll see I'm currently looking at the jets-fan.com website. Notice there are 3 different permission levels. You've got the owner level, that's me right now. There is full level, and there's also an item called restricted. It's very easy to add somebody to your access levels here. In fact, you can add upwards of 100 users to the site to manage their permissions. All you've got to do is hit the Add a New User button. Up pops a place where you add an email. So we'll say test@example.com. We select whether we want to do restricted or full, and we go ahead, I'll say this one's full. We'll go ahead and hit add, and that information shows up here. We can also delete anybody by simply clicking on the particular user, hitting the delete button, and okaying the remove user message. Now, the 3 different levels give users various ranges of things that they can do. Here's a quick list of those things, but primarily when granting somebody full use, that permission gives them the ability to view most of the data and take most actions like changing site settings, demoting site links, and so on, whereas the restricted view, as you see, is much more limited and can see things like links to your site, keywords, internal links, search impact, and so on. Now, if you are an owner of the site, you can go to the owner verification page, and when you go here, you can see how people who were owners were verified, and if you yourself are an owner, you can also add another owner. There is one caveat to keep in mind about the ownership panel, is that anybody that you add to the Webmaster Tools administrative area is sort of tied to you. So if for some reason you were to lose your site verification, anybody that you've added to the verification would be removed as well, which is, I guess, a really good thing, because let's say you run a company, an SEO company, and you added your workers to the Webmaster Tool so they can do different things for you or monitor things. It would make sense that if the owner of the site were to remove that person, that the people who they've added would be removed as well. So again, if you do get bounced from being a verified site user, anybody that you've added would also get bounced. But again, it's something we've been waiting for some time. I'm really glad it's finally arrived. You just go into your Webmaster Tools control panel, you hit site configuration option, and below that you'll find user administration, add user, pick restricted or full, and if you're already a verified owner, you'll see your name here as the owner. So we're real happy to see this, and we'll have a few more new things for you in the coming weeks on our video blog. Thanks again. This is Steve Scott with the Search Engine Academy.